Good morning. My name is David Krakowski, and I am a patient of Dr. Danios. I am 6 months into my hair restoration procedure, and I absolutely could not be more pleased. I was out the other day, saw a friend, and they saw me. It's been a while, probably about 4 or 5 months since they saw me, and they were just kind of looking at my face and my hair, and they said, you look good. And I said, yeah, I've been doing a couple things, all right? What I love about the procedure is, number one, when I had it done, no one knew. No one even knew that I had it done because Dr. Daniel does the shaveless. And number two, at this point, I'm 6 months in, I'm really pleased with the growth, and I know it's only going to get better. And same thing, people can't tell. And again, I couldn't be more pleased, and I know it's going to get better and better as I go.